Hey everyone, welcome back to Trendz TV. Today, we've got something really special for you. It's the return of an icon, a legend reprint of the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle. That's right, after years of speculation, VW has finally brought back one of the most beloved cars in history, but with a modern twist. This is more than just a rehashed retro design. This is the Beetle completely reimagined for the future. So, stick around as we break down everything you need to know about this beauty, from its fresh new look to its cutting-edge tech and, of course, its performance on the road. Let's dive right in. Exterior. Starting with the exterior. The 2026 Volkswagen Beetle still carries the soul of its ancestors, but it has been modernized in a way that makes it stand out in today's world. The front end greets you with sleek, oval-shaped LED headlights that pay homage to the classic design while offering state-of-the-art illumination. The grille is now more minimalistic, featuring an aerodynamic flow that integrates seamlessly with the bodywork. Volkswagen has ditched unnecessary chrome accents in favor of a cleaner, more sophisticated look, and if you look closely, you'll notice an illuminated VW badge at the center, adding a futuristic touch. Moving to the side profile, the Beetle retains its signature rounded silhouette, but with a more aggressive stance. The wheel arches are more pronounced, giving it a sportier appearance, while the sloping roofline enhances its aerodynamics. Volkswagen has also introduced a variety of wheel options, ranging from stylish 18-inch alloys to a performance-focused 20-inch set for the R-Line trim. The doors now feature flash handles for a sleeker profile, and the side mirrors come with integrated turn signals and cameras for better visibility. One of the biggest surprises, the return of the two-door coupe option alongside a more practical four-door variant, offering buyers more choice than ever before. Around the back, the 2026 Beetle doesn't disappoint. The taillights have been redesigned with the unique, segmented LED pattern, giving the car an instantly recognizable rear-end signature at night. The rear bumper features a subtle diffuser, hinting at its improved aerodynamics, while the roofline elegantly tapers down, contributing to its sporty, almost fastback-like aesthetic. One cool feature, the new dynamic spoiler that extends at higher speeds to improve stability and efficiency. And, of course, there's an available dual exhaust setup on higher trims, letting you know this Beetle isn't just about looks, it means business, too. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that perfectly blends nostalgia with next-gen technology. Volkswagen has done an incredible job preserving the Beetle's playful charm while introducing premium materials and futuristic tech. The dashboard features a sleek digital cockpit with a fully customizable 12-inch instrument cluster, displaying everything from navigation to real-time performance data. At the center, you'll find a massive 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system running VW's latest software with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The user interface is buttery smooth, and voice commands now work flawlessly, thanks to an advanced AI assistant. The classic flower vase, it's back, but now it's a customizable digital display that can show everything from ambient lighting themes to fun animations. Speaking of ambience, the Beetle comes with a stunning 64-color ambient lighting system, letting you set the perfect mood for every drive. The seats are wrapped in premium materials, with options ranging from sustainable leather alternatives to vibrant, retro-inspired fabric patterns. And for those who love open-air driving, the panoramic sunroof extends almost the entire length of the roof, making the cabin feel airy and spacious. Performance. Now, let's talk about what really matters: performance. The 2026 Volkswagen Beetle offers multiple powertrain options, catering to both eco-conscious drivers and those who crave excitement. The base model comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing around 220 horsepower, paired with either a 6-speed manual or a VW's advanced 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This setup offers a perfect balance between efficiency and fun, making the Beetle an absolute joy to drive. For those looking for something more electrified, Volkswagen has introduced a plug-in hybrid version that pairs a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of around 280 horsepower. This variant offers an all-electric range of up to 40 miles, making it a great choice for city dwellers who want the best of both worlds. But the real showstopper, the Beetle R, an all-electric performance model packing a dual-motor setup and AWD, cranking out a staggering 400 horsepower. This version rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds, making it the fastest production Beetle ever. Handling-wise, Volkswagen has fine-tuned the suspension for a comfortable yet dynamic driving experience. The electric power steering feels precise, and thanks to the car's lightweight construction and balanced chassis, it hugs corners with surprising agility. The EV model even gets an adaptive air suspension system that adjusts ride height based on driving conditions. Whether you're cruising down the highway or zipping through tight city streets, the new Beetle feels more planted and composed than ever before. Now, let's talk pricing. Volkswagen has positioned the 2026 Beetle competitively within the market, with the base model starting around $28,000, making it an attractive option for young buyers and enthusiasts alike. The plug-in hybrid version bumps the price to around $35,000, while the high-performance Beetle R sits at the top of the range, starting at approximately $50,000. Considering the technology, performance, and nostalgia factor packed into this car, those prices are more than reasonable. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Volkswagen Beetle is a masterclass in blending heritage with innovation. It stays true to its roots while embracing the future with cutting-edge technology and electrified performance options. Whether you're a longtime Beetle fan or someone looking for a stylish, fun-to-drive compact car, this new generation model ticks all the right boxes. And with Volkswagen's commitment to sustainability, this might just be the most responsible way to own a piece of automotive history. That wraps up today's review. What do you think of the all-new Beetle? Is it everything you hoped for? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching Trendz TV, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned, stay fast, and drive safe.